Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm just here to do a quick video on a new item I purchased. It's a part of my fall favorite things. And I did mention that I was interested in possibly purchasing a handbag in a larger size, and I did. And I just wanted to come in and share the new item with you all. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around and let's get started. So the item that I purchased, it is a Coach Tabby 26. And I've been looking at this particular color for a while now. I did have a Coach Tabby 20, but I had some damage to the handbag. I had to send it back and return it, and I did not purchase another one at that time because I did get that one on sale, so they didn't have any more in stock. So I knew when I purchased a new Coach Tabby that I wanted the size 26 because I needed a little bit more space for my lifestyle. And here is the color that I've been waiting on to go on sale, and it did. This color is perfect. I wear a lot of silver accessories, silver jewelry, and I wear a lot of gray. And this is an item that I know can just blend in perfectly with my clothing items. I don't have to find anything to necessarily match this item with. It's a neutral to me. This retails for $330. It's currently on sale at the outlet at this time. I would definitely link it down below. I knew I needed a 26 because I just needed more space, because I like to carry my wallet. I like to carry, you know, certain things that I need in my handbag. And as a mom, the 20 is good for going out, but day to day, if I'm out with my son, I definitely need the 26. I knew since last year when this handbag came out that I wanted this color. I did not want to pay the $550, to be honest. I'm always looking for a sale, a great deal, whether it's discounted, whether it's on Poshmark. You can find me wherever there's a sale. That's where you can find Kimberly. So I'm happy with this. Here is the back. It has the back pocket, the front. It opens up like so. It has two compartments, and it also has the middle compartment and this flap in the front. I do own the original Coach Pillow Tabby in black and gold. I just like this style of handbag. It just seems more feminine. Is a lady handbag, an adult handbag. I love all the colors that they have. I currently love the new colors that they have coming out for the fall season. But again, this item retail for $330. The Coach Tabby 20, the new colors are retailing for $395 or $495. If they have, like, you know, special accents to it, they might increase it an extra $100. And the retail price for the new colors and this size retail for $550. So to get this 26 for $330, I thought was an amazing deal. And yeah, here she is. I love her so much. I think it's worth it. I'm happy to have this in my collection. And yes, I think this is a neutral for me. I can wear this with black. I can wear this with gray. And me personally, I just wear my stuff whatever. As a mom, you know how it is. You always want to go. I just need to look put together. I need something that can go with almost all my outfits, not think too hard. But I thought this was special. I'm happy to have this in my collection. I can't wait to wear it. I'm also interested in some of the new colors. I do like the new fall colors. And I'm a Coach Tabby 20. It is too small for my liking, but I do like the colors. So in all honesty, I will probably get, you know, fun colors in a small size, and then in a 26 just focus on, you know, the blacks, the primary classic colors that can be dressed up or dressed down, and then have a little fun with the smaller sizes. So this is my new handbag. Again, I will be linking this down below if anyone is interested. My name is Kimberly, also known as Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.